Today, we're going to go over coaching your clients. If you head to the system settings, underneath the coach module, you'll see progress tracker. Here you can select exactly what metric will be tracked in the progress tracker in the app. Now, bear in mind that there are quite a few different metrics to choose from, so we advise you to either refine the search using the categories dropdown or use the Control F lookup function to look up the specific metric you would like. Now we can head to a specific client, hit coaching. Here you can assign yourself as the coach or select whoever the specific coach is. This will activate the coaching bar at the top. Select the kettlebell. Here you can assign a workout plan to the client, or you can create a new workout plan if you'd like. Once you have assigned this, it will appear on the client's activity calendar, which is distinguished by the calendar with the heart. This will show over here, and the specific workout will show on the side. Alternatively, you can also select a specific day, add an activity or a workout for the client. The graph refers to the progress tracker. The specific metrics you have selected will now be visible, and you will be able to see the different values for them. The apple refers to nutrition. This is where you can assign workout plans, check how a workout plan's going, or create a new workout plan for the client. The trophy refers to challenges, and the gear refers to settings. That's about all there is for the coaching clients. Thank you for watching.